Today learn about body parts name. Let's start. Face. This is my face. Eyes. These are my eyes. Nose. This is my nose. Ear. This is my ear. Lips. These are my lips. Mouth. This is my mouth. Teeth. These are my teeth. Tongue. This is my tongue. Hand. This is my hand. Arm. This is my arm. Hairs. These are my hairs. Finger. This is my finger. Elbow. This is my elbow. Leg. This is my leg. Foot. This is my foot. Lesson review. Hair. Eyebrow. Eye. Ear. Shoulder. Elbow. Leg.